Hey, Heathcote Health, just want to say a great big thank you for all your hard work during the pandemic. Great to be on the same team as you all. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Lisa Testis, a federal member for Bendigo. I'm keen to take up the challenge put out there by Heathcote Health and send a special message to all of their staff and their team, all of our health workers in Heathcote, doing an amazing job. It's tough times, people are tired, so thank you for what you do, helping keeping our community safe and healthy. I'd also like to thank all of our health workers across the electorate, whether they be in Kyneton, Castlemaine, Bendigo or Heathcote. Teams that are working day in, day out, sometimes 7 days a week to get us all vaccinated and keep us healthy. Thank you for what you do.
As the Director of Medical Services at Heathcote, I have spent the last 18 months watching the executive and management of the hospital tirelessly work to keep across all the issues relating to COVID and to make sure that everyone is safe. They have done a fantastic job, and I really want to congratulate the effort made by everybody. Well done.
Heathcote Health staff, thank you for being awesome through this pandemic. Your community in the region thanks you.
Hello. I just wanted to say what a great idea it is. You nurses come to the house all the time. You've been really great for the last 18 months since the pandemic started. And I don't know what I'd do without you. You make life so much easier. You saved me going up to the doctors many times. And all I can say is thanks and what a great idea, and I hope it advances far, far better.
Hello, Heathcote Health. Thank you so much for jumping on so quickly when I referred someone to you, and you've made that so much easier for that family. Such a brilliant job. Well done.
G'day, I'm Bruce Bolam. I'm the new director of the Loddon Mallee Public Health Unit based here in Bendigo. And we've been living through a genuinely unprecedented public health challenge. And the contribution you've been making through Heathcote and through your work is invaluable to getting us onto the other side of this pandemic. And I know that as fatiguing and as hard it is through everything you've been doing professionally and personally through this time, I'm really confident that you'll be looking back on this in the rearview mirror in years to come, and you'll feel deeply proud of the incredible contributions you've been making. I thank you, we thank you, and we look forward to working together really closely through these challenges of the pandemic. Thank you.
What a great honour it is to say a huge thank you to all of the staff at Heathcote Health. Over the past 18 months during this global pandemic, you have risen to the challenge to protect our communities and help keep them safe. Your caregiving, your kindness and generosity is totally inspiring and totally awesome. Keep it going, Heathcote Health. We're alongside you all the way.
Hello, I'm Ben Ewan. I'm a board director for Heathcote Health. On behalf of my family and the people who I care about, I just want to say sincerely thank you for all your amazing work. I want to thank you for your sacrifice, for your dedication, and for your selflessness for keeping us safe. I truly hope that the other side comes sooner than later. Take care. Thank you. Again, bye.
Hello, Wawa. On behalf of the Tunnarong Land and Water Council, we would like to thank everybody at Heathcote Health for their continued hard work and effort during this pandemic. I would also like to congratulate you all for providing such essential and selfless services over an incredibly challenging 18 months. The Tunnarong people and community are proud of you and your commitment to the health and well-being of all people, and for that we thank you. Ngangojin.
Hi Dan and team at Heathcote Health. We wanted to acknowledge all the work you've done over the past 18 months, not only your BAU but dealing with COVID on top of it. We thank you for the way you've worked to keep our community transport, volunteers and staff safe. We always feel really welcome and secure with the information you provide and the way you work with our teams. We hope the next 18 months look a little bit differently, but we still hope we'll be working so closely with you all. Take care.
Hi everyone, how you going? We just wanted to have a quick touch base with you and say what a wonderful job you're doing. We miss you so much. We've had our vaccinations and we're ready to go whenever you are. So just want to touch base and say wonderful job and we miss you.
Yes, can't wait to get back to you, especially you fellas. and the hospital staff, good to see them all again. Hopefully it'll be very soon we get back and see you all. Thank you very much. Bye.
Big cheer to Heathcote Health for the great work they've done for the last 18 months to keep us all safe and well. Thank you very, very much from the bottom of our hearts. Cheers. Cheers.
Hi. On behalf of the City of Greater Bendigo and councillors and staff and our community, I'd just like to say thank you very much to all the health workers at Heathcote Health. You've been at the front line delivering services in a pandemic for the last 18 months. That is a huge achievement and it doesn't go unnoticed. We understand the ongoing the fatigue and the stress that these types of situations can bring. And we'd just like you to know that our thoughts are with you and our appreciation on behalf of our community for everything that you do. It's such an essential role. We have had many ups and downs in the last 18 months, and we'd like to think with the pandemic that our best days are now ahead. So once more, thanks for all you do, and our thoughts are with you.
Thank you very much, you wonderful people. You've looked after us so well. You've worked so hard, all you staff people, to keep this awful virus out of here. I'm just so thrilled and thankful, and I'm quite sure there's plenty of others that would say the same thing. So I'm saying it on behalf of all the resis in here. Thank you for being so careful, because it must be hard for you out there as you've got your families, you've got to do your shopping and your housework. We appreciate that. So don't think that we don't care. We do. Thank you. Love you lots. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Dan Douglas, CEO at Heathcote Health. Today, the 13th of September, is 18 months from when we started our first hospital incident management team meeting and commenced our pandemic preparedness and response. It's 18 months of really dedicated work by a team here at Heathcote Health, and I'd like to sincerely thank all of our staff, our volunteers, our contractors, visitors, patients, residents and community clients for their understanding of how we need to manage in the pandemic and for all the support that everyone has provided. We'd particularly like to thank everyone in the community who has provided their support. It means a lot to us and we really appreciate it.